Sliding door tutorial. We see that there's a number of sliding doors we need to insert on the ground floor. Notice that one of the leaves of the door is fixed and the other is sliding, indicated by the orange arrow. Notice on this side there's no timber, just the door against the brickwork. On the other side we have a piece of timber which is the door jamb for the active leaf. Looking on the inside, we see that that same piece of timber is on the inside, on the right hand side, which is against the fixed leaf. So this side is the fixed side. We see the timber going up. This door slides back against it. Notice the timber reveal is sitting back 70 millimeters in from the edge of the wall, and the same from the outside, 70 millimeters. Make sure ground floor is selected. Select door in toolbar. Open the settings. In the top search bar, type in sliding. Select sliding door 19 and change the settings as follows. The opening width is 3 meters, 3000. The height is 2400, 2 meters 400. Sill to story is 0. And the reveal to wall face, as we just saw, is 70 millimeters. And the first door we're going to insert will have the anchor point 2, side 2, so make sure that's selected. Next we'll go into sliding door settings. We need to go to connecting structures, so you can scroll through the buttons at the top, the arrows. Go to connecting structures and untick casing, outside and inside. Press OK. Let's place our door in position. We need to use guidelines to do this. The first door we're going to put in the bottom left hand corner. If you have a guideline in there already, just delete it. Pull out a new guideline and snap that guideline to the inside face of the wall. This will give us a point to insert our sliding door. Double check that side anchor point side 2 is selected. Come to the front of the guideline, snap to the guideline and click. And this gives us our outside face. Now notice the cursor. I can decide which way the sliding door opens. We want this door to slide open this way, so I hold the cursor on the outside, see the arrow? That means the door is going to open and select. And now that door is inserted. Let's have a look in 3D. There it is in place. Back to 2D. Let's place a guideline on the inside face of this wall. It'll give us the position for the door at the bottom. Grab a guideline, snap it to the inside face. Now make sure we select door and anchor point 1, side 1. Now come down, scroll in here, make sure you come right to the center on the outside face. Slide the cursor down to the front so that the door opens to the right and click. While we're here, we'll also place another door at this junction. We have the guideline here. Okay, double check that anchor point side 1 is selected. Bring the wall in, slide down to the guideline, snap, insert, and click on the upper right hand corner to define the sliding door. Now that that's done, let's have a look in 3D. We have our doors in place. Next we're going to multiply the sliding door along the front of our chalet. Save as you go. First select sliding door. Now if you can't select it, it's selecting different things. What you can do is hold the cursor in and hit the tab key. The tab key will run through the different elements that can be selected. And once you get the door, there it is, I can select it. Hold down on the node so the pet palette comes up, and we need to select multiply. Drag, number of copies we want are 2, and to distribute, and OK. Grab the top node, drag, and line up with the inside face of that wall, the inside corner when you see the tick, and that will create the correct position for the doors to sit in. Let's have a look in 3D. And there, our doors were multiplied across the front. Save.